So you want to write your same game object to the disk, that save game to slot. Now saving to a named slot persists your save game object between the play sessions. Think of like making quick saves, auto save and multiple profile. Now to get this node, you have to right click and type in save game to the slot and you will get this node like this. For now we will remove both of these because we have our example from our previous tutorial where when we press the key 1, then it will create a same game object and then print its name. Now we are taking the pin from its return value to the same game object to slot because it needs a save game object, so we are giving it this one. After that, the slot name. For the slot name, I just give it a random name like QRWTY. You can give it whatever you like, but remember this, you need to be precise about your slot name. You can't make mistake about your slot name. Like if you are naming your slot name like save, then you have to copy and paste the name wherever you want to use the slot name again. Don't type it because sometimes you make small mistakes and the whole code broke down and you think why it's not working and things like that. So it's better to just copy paste, I mean, in all, just be precise about your slot name. After that, we are printing the return value out of it, which means it will tell us whether it is saved or not. And that will be all for this code. We will continue this series to the point where you can yourself create save game object, delete them whenever you like, check if it's available or not. But for now, this will be all. So let's just compile the code and see the action what it actually does. So as you can see on the screen, as soon as we compiled and press begin play, whenever I am pressing 1, it's first creating the save game object, which is telling us like save underscore tutorial underscore c underscore 13 and all that stuff. After that, it is also creating a slot under the same game object. Now you have to remember it and understand this very carefully. That's why you don't create same game object again and again and again, because this lead to saving the slot in various save game objects. That's why you need to be very precise about in which same game object you are saving the slot. So it sounds a bit complicated and hard, but once you get to the hang of it, you will be doing all this stuff very easily. So if you haven't watched the previous tutorial about this, just go and watch that. And if you just completed this, watch the next one, which is the follow up with this one, where I explain these concepts in more detail. Now you might be curious where you're gonna use these kind of things. So these are used on quit, on checkpoints, or after major progress changes. This keeps save small and stable. Large binary blobs are fragile and slow. So that's why we use this one. And don't worry if you don't understand, we will be understanding all this stuff in future tutorials. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.